So when it comes to like the assessment systems in schools, so because like a lot of education of the children, that is influenced by how their parents want them to pursue it. So a lot of parents would still think that, you know, when it comes to assessment, तो मेरा बच्चा जो है उसके marks ज़्यादा आए स्कूल में, first position आए, second position आए, regardless of the social skills that needs to be inculcated in that age. So you as a parent, like what advice would you give to your child to like focus on getting the first position in the class, or like having better social skills and make more friends?
Okay, so I think that I'll explain this a little differently. Like, one of the big skills that kids need in the future, and this is not particularly scientific, it's a bit of a hypothesis, wo ye hai ki how do you delay consumption of reward? You see, when you give kids a phone too early and they can do whatever they want with it, they are immediately getting dopamine in their heads because they see something funny and they're putting off things that are not, you know, that rewarding, like actually working towards your school, you know, fixing up your room, which are all important things because zindagi aapne eventually karni hai. So those kids, and one of the things that I found interesting is like Bill Gates' children, Steve Jobs ke bachche, 4-5 of all the people, they don't give their kids devices.
Right.
And what they're trying to do is that ke unke jo brains hai na, they don't seek cheap dopamine, which is just coming from a flux of entertainment and getting what you want immediately. Because life is not like that.
Right.
You can't pursue pleasure endlessly. You're going to have to do work and things like that. And I'm not saying it also, I mean, I also love devices and I love wasting time and things like that. Lekin ye jo training hai abhi. So now if you can get kids who can still read books, if you can get kids who can still spend time, I mean, I find this fascinating. They can't spend time alone with one another. They need something to do. They need to engage something all the time. Whereas a lot of imagination is actually developed with free time. You don't need to put them in activities all the time. So, I mean, I guess, aapka sawal hai, what I'd argue here is that we need to ensure that some of the more basic things and trendy things that we'll miss out and all that. So, to a child, what's really important from the ages of, 1 to 10, I would say, is that aap usse confidence do. So aap unko confidence do, they need to know that they're loved.
Yeah.
And that your love as a parent is not contingent upon them ticking these boxes. Ki haan, exam mein theek aaya hu, ye wo. Obviously you have to, lay down the law every so often ki insaan ban, ye kaam karo, ye wo.
Because like I think unconditional love, that also spoils the kid.
Usme apne masle hote hain. But you see, like ye kehna hai ki, grade 1 se, they're developing their minds. And if you wonder, okay, let's say the future is all about you being able to think, about you being able to bring something original to the table, because now all your manual works like accountancy, ye ab ye systems aapke liye kar rahe hain.
Yeah.
So for that, you're going to have to develop a certain orientation where the child can reflectively think, is interested in many things, seeks information, is able to do things on time. So I would argue is ki, like, it's neither. It's like you have to say, look, doing your best is important. We're also limited by genetics. Some kid is never going to come first in calculus. Some kid is never going to be great at writing a poem. But there's enough work to go around. Jo bhi aapka ho, you can, and you need to give the kid that degree of confidence ke wo ho sakta hai. So coming back to what was the other choice? One was getting good grades and the other was
like make more friends, like socializing, so collaborative skills.
That's just it, right? Main jo aksar kehta hu, there are very few things that are true binaries. Ki ye ya ye. You need both. And hum jab kehte hain ki like people who do well in careers, they're usually much more well-rounded. They're outliers hai. that Malcolm Gladwell book, تو اس میں ایک case study ہے, ابھی Oppenheimer film بھی آئی ہے, if I'm remembering correctly in the book, it was about Oppenheimer, and there's a guy who has the highest IQ in the world right now.
Remember, it was about Oppenheimer.
It was about Oppenheimer, and there's a guy who has the highest IQ in the world, and he's doing terribly in life because uski socialization skills hi nahi. And Oppenheimer ka ek fayda ye tha ki like he came from a well-to-do family. He knew how to talk, he knew how to get things, even though he had his own. So the yehi binary ka yehi masla hota hai, is that, you know, even if you're the smartest guy in the world but you can't work with anyone, nothing. Even if you're the funniest guy in the world and you're high-fiving everyone in the room, but you have nothing to contribute, aapki bhi progression ruk jayegi. So ye jo binaries hai na, that's the problem. We're going to have to develop children who have an interest in everything. But the one thing I would argue is ke what is probably a big determinant, again, ye mera hypothesis hai, I haven't really read the research on this, but I think children who feel loved, who feel cared for and listened to, they probably end up doing better. Right. And they'll probably end up listening more.
And that's also primarily because like they can be more flexible, they would have lower resistance to any change, and they can, you know, collaborate better.
I mean, I don't know if it's these things, but I do feel that if you give them that confidence, right, so I think they won't see failure as such a big thing that they don't even do anything.
Right.
ان کو پھر بھی پتہ ہے کہ ٹھیک ہے یہاں بونگی کر لی, سب ہنس گئے ہیں, لیکن گھر پہ آئی اسٹل ہیو یو نو سم لو ٹو کم بیک ٹو اینڈ تھنگس لائک دیٹ. یو سی چلڈرن کانٹ ورک وتھ perpetual instability. So school does have an element of instability where you have to prove yourself and things like that. They need to feel that they've got a place they belong. And so I'm just speaking, I'm not talking about systems or whatever, I'm just talking about parents and things like that. So I mean, but again, it's a hypothesis of mine. It's not something for example, there kuch to genetic gifts bhi hote hain. You know, there are kids who have like zero advantages in life, terrible home life, no money, no home, whatever, and they're like the top in everything. The problem with those kids is like we use them as examples for everyone else. Those are exceptions. The real ones are the 80% who are the average.
I remember like once you mentioned about this thing ki like when every now and then koi na koi aisi example aati hai ki out like slums mein se کوئی بچہ جس کے پیرنٹس جو ہیں وہ دے آر اسٹرگلنگ بٹ اسٹل دیٹ کڈ لائک کمز آؤٹ اینڈ لائک ٹاپ کر لیتا ہے بورڈ میں یا دے ڈو ریئلی ویل. سو دوز آؤٹ لائرز آر گوئنگ ٹو بی دیر اینی وے.
سو وہ آئی ریمبر ڈسکسنگ دیٹ وتھ یو. اور میرا پوائنٹ یہ ہوتا ہے کہ لائک جب بھی میں یہ آرٹیکل پڑھتا ہوں کہ رکشے ڈرائیور کے بیٹے نے اب ٹاپ کر لیا MBBS میں, آئی تھنک دیٹ ہیز اے ریئلی بیڈ افیکٹ آن پیپلز پرسیپشنز. رائٹ. Because what it sends people as the message, اور یہ elderly لوگ کرتے ہیں کہ تم کیوں نہیں کر سکتے یہ وہ, because what it also does is that it suggests that the system is working perfectly. کہ somebody with nothing وہ پھر بھی پہنچ گیا, but that kid is genuinely such an exception, such a mind, and even if you gave him nothing he would still do well. جو بھی system ہوتا ہے, the system has to be geared towards the average student who's 80% of the bulk, 60%, or the lowest rung as well. Most rickshaw drivers' children will not get beyond a certain point. They'll have severe disadvantages, angrezi ke, aur cheezon ke, you know, fee dene ke, and uska masla yahi hota hai ke وہ اٹ آٹومیٹکلی کہ اگر یہ کر سکتے ہیں تو یہ سب کر سکتے ہیں, اور یہ نہیں کر رہے اس لیے کہ یہ اتنا کام نہیں کر رہے. ناٹ ٹرو ایٹ آل. یہ بس وہی ہے کہ ایک ایڈوانٹیج ہوتا ہے جینیٹک, از اے سرٹن کائنڈ آف بریلینس. تو وہ اسٹوریز جب میں دیکھتا ہوں میرا اکثر یہ مطلب, ایک دفعہ آئی واز اسپیکنگ ٹو سم ڈاکٹرس اور انہوں نے کہا کہ یار ہمارا سسٹم بہت اچھا ہو گیا. میں کہا کیوں؟ یہی جو فیلوشپس ہوتے ہیں پاکستان کے اندر, اور وہ کہہ رہے تھے کہ اب وہی ایگزامپل تھا کہ کینٹین والے کے بیٹے نے اب FRCS ٹاپ کیا. تو I was trying to say let's interrogate this. میں کہا again these are by the way we didn't have data or anything. میں کہا بہت سے لوگ تو FRCS کے لیے جاتے ہیں اور MD کے لیے جاتے ہیں, تو یہ تو آپ کے پول سے نکل گئے. And a lot of these are already the top performers. تو جو رہ جاتے ہیں, there's a smaller contraction. Maybe they're not the absolute best. Then, you know, یہی جو ایک بندہ ہے, how many other kids of the same background could move? Do you think کہ یہ اس لیے ہے کہ یہ اتنے قابل نہیں ہے, یہ محنت نہیں کرے؟ تو ان کے تھوڑا بہت سوچ تو یہی تھا. تو بٹ آئی واز فیسینیٹڈ کہ اس بندے نے اس ایک لڑکے کی وجہ سے he made an inference that the system is very healthy, which I don't think is true.